Good morning and good evening to everyone. And I don't know. What is guapo? Guapo is handsome. It's handsome. Handsome in English. Oh, mag-fries daw kayo muna. Mega shoutout sa 5 million in my house. Hehehe. Yes, guapo. Love. What's wrong with you? Guapo? It's mean